Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at the Savior case for your Google Pixel 4 XL that comes to us from Schnail. So let's start the video, show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the Savior case from Schnail, and I have it in two different colors. It does actually come in another color that I did actually have the high on Android version, but I misplaced it right now. But it's definitely a cool case. I have been using this, so I definitely want to show you guys what it is when you get in the packaging. So if you guys want to head to their website, schnailcase.com, and you do see this in the background. We build solid protection for your devices. Let's keep your phone pounding and explore wilder without concern. This is actually military standard drops, so you can actually drop this a few times, and I have actually dropped my Pixel 4 XL a couple of times with this case on, so this is definitely a case when it comes to being rugged and showing your phone off at the same time. So here's the actual case itself. This is a pretty affordable case, and with every case you do get a note from the actual owners who actually own this company. So if you guys want to pause this and read it for yourself, you definitely can. Alright, big shout out to them. And you do have a nice little card here. It's not easy being a fancy super duty bodyguard. Thank you for trusting us. And it does have an installation guide of how to install this case itself. Alright, there you go. And so you do have a two-part case, which is pretty cool. So you have one for the outer layer and one for the insert here. So you do have nice little pull tabs, which is absolutely awesome. So now you won't have any issues taking it off. Just a beautiful looking case. You do have the logo for Schnail right over there on the side. I really love the look of this. Not gonna front, I really like this one. I prefer this one in all black because the one that had like the little rainbow color is pretty cool, but it does not match with the Oso orange. So here's the Oso orange like here. So let's just pop this baby on. Let's see what it looks like. It does not have a built-in screen protector. So you definitely might need to get your own protection when it comes to the screen. But as far as the phone itself, let's see if we can get this in here in one shot. Pretty simple. Done this a million times. What I usually do is I usually like to put the bottom in first, or the ports in first. There's several different methods. See if I can get this on the camera. So put in through the thing right there. All right. So I'm just fixing up the extra layer of protection, and just the amount of lip action on this. This case probably has the most lip action I've seen from a rugged case in a very, very long time. Now, as you guys can see, here's what it looks like. Absolutely stunning. And you do have that nice little extra layer here, so it won't lay on its back when you place it down. And just the protection for the front, and you do have the nice little cutouts here. It does have a dual chamber holes here, so now the speaker will force out the sound through the front. So basically you'll have your front firing speakers one way or another. Big shout out to Carl for actually sending these cases out to me. I really love this case so far. And you do have a little hole there that you could probably put a lanyard there. But as far as the volume up and down, extra clicky of course. Power, and you do have nice little accents here that has extra little layer. It's pretty hard to see it there, but it has an extra little bump on all four corners. I definitely really like this case. So if you guys are looking for protection cases just like this one, this is definitely something that I would take a look at when it comes to your Pixel 4 XL. And he does actually have it for a few other phones as well coming on the way. This is the red one. I was very curious to see how this one looks as well. Red and orange don't really go well with each other, but if you have the black one, or if you have the white Pixel 4 XL, let's see how easy it is to take it off. So you have a nice little thing there, nice little rigid line, so you can pop this off pretty easy. I probably will be using the black one after this video is over. Alright, so here's how it looks in the red and black version. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. And they do have another one. It's in like a rainbow type color. I forgot what the name is. I know you guys will probably say it in the comments, but here's how it looks in the red and black. Well, this one does not look bad at all, so I'll probably leave this one. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up, and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this. Camera lip action on point as well. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Big shout out to Schnail cases. I'll definitely pick this one up if I was you. Later.